If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because your girl is back with another video. So I'm back with another video, another wig review, okay? And we're going to be reviewing a bob wig, okay? Man, I'm like, what's up with it? All right, let me stop. What's up? Let me stop. I mean, what's up? And y'all, I don't even be editing this stuff out, like... All right, let me just get into the video. So, the company I'm gonna be doing a wig review on is Myshinywigs, and their Instagram and everything's out of box. Myshinywigs. Ooh, it matched my nails. Okay. Okay, so it's a bob wig. We about to open it up. And remember, I always say this in all my wig reviews, like, everything will be in the description box below. Like I always tell y'all, the link will be in the description box below, the exact link, the length, everything. So it's a closure bob. Like, I love me some closures. Like, I used to like frontals, love frontals, because I feel like there was natural. But bobs, I mean not bobs, like closure wigs is perfect for beginners because you literally can just put it on your head. Like, you don't have to do no glue or anything. You could just put it on your head and I guarantee you'll be like nice and flat. So it comes with this. And let's get into like this. Like like I never received a box this nice. Like, I just feel like the colors are super, like, tell me this ain't pretty. Like, this is gorgeous, like gorgeous. Like, I love the color combination. I love the bag. This color's mad pretty. Okay, let's get into it. So this is a 10-inch 4x4 lace bob wig, and it tells you how to take care of it. Let me just rip this tag out because we don't need it. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying about closures, they're so much easier. You know, no glue or anything. You could just like slap it on. And I did have a sneak peek. I did look at this wig, and I love it because let's get into this. Let's get into this right here, how it melts into my skin. Hold up. Let me do this. Like, I don't even think I have to do plucking. Like, let's get into it. Like, look how it just melts in my skin. So this is how it looks. Oh, let me take this off. I'm probably gonna like fix the curls and stuff on it, but the curls is really pretty. So yeah, y'all see, this is a 4x4 closure. This is how a closure looks. A closure goes from here to here, and a frontal goes from here to here, because I get that question a lot. What's the difference between a closure and what's the difference between a frontal? That's the difference. So boom. Oh yeah, let's get into this bonnet. This bonnet is from one of my favorite black-owned companies. From a company called Pure Minx. Her Instagram will be right here. Like, I love all her stuff. She sells slides, lashes. Love her lashes. My favorite lashes by her company is called, I'm gonna put it right here, the name, love them lashes. I be wearing her lashes sometimes in my videos. I just love her stuff, and I love her personality. Okay, I just had to do a quick, like, you know, shabang shaboom. So I'm gonna put some makeup right here on the lace, so I'll be right back, because I always do that. Always put makeup right here on your lace, and use a powder foundation. Never use a liquid foundation. So hold on, I'll be right back, y'all. So I put the powder foundation on. The powder I used today was the Fenty Beauty pressed powder and Caramel Cutie. So let's get into it. Okay, so it comes with a adjustable strap. Let's kind of look like a bra strap, and it has 3 combs. One thing I just noticed about this company is that like it doesn't come with like wig caps, or like, you know how there's like goodies and stuff that come with these, like a comb or something. So it didn't come with that, it just came with the wig. That's one thing I could say about it, is that it just, you just receive the wig. But let's try this wig on, okay? Let's see. So this is how it looks. I'm still like trying to feel it out and like see like how I'm feeling. Like the hair is super soft. The curls are pretty. I'm just trying to see like, should I like, cause my baby hairs is done underneath this wig cap, so I'm like, should I like brush the baby hairs right here back so that I could push it back some, because I feel like it's too up. So hold on for a sec, I'll be right back, baby. Okay, so I pushed it back a little. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the Got To Be glue free spray, and I'm just gonna, we gonna just, you know, I just want to see, you know what, should I cut it first? Nah, but I definitely feel like this is a glueless wig, because plus it's a closure. All closures are glueless, but I just want it like, I just want to use this. So all right, let me just get into it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get the blow dryer and blow dry it, and I'll be right back because I don't want the video to be super long. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna blow dry it, and you know, I'll blow dry it with y'all. So I'll be right back. So this is the finished product after I finish you know, cutting the lace off. Now I'm just waiting for my flat iron to get hot so that I can like just redo these curls. The hair is super soft. Girls, what do y'all think? What do y'all think about it? Let me show y'all. What do y'all think? Comment in the description box below. It's super soft. I feel like it's classy, and plus y'all know how I feel about bobs. I feel like bobs are super classy. Okay, maybe all I needed to do was like touch up the curls, because I feel like that looks a lot better. Super easy to curl. So the Got To Be glue, that's why like it looks like that. It keeps like flapping up because it got the Got To Be glue, the free spray on it. So one thing I could say about this hair, for one, like I said, it's soft. I haven't got no shedding yet, besides from plucking. I could say, wait, hold on, is this hair bouncy? All right, the hair's bouncy. One thing I could say is that they really did a good job with plucking the hairline, and like it just melts. Like I don't know what type of lace it is, but like I said, everything will be in the description box below. But it just like melts in my skin. As you guys seen in the beginning of the video, it melt. you see that melt in the beginning, and I just feel like I didn't have to do no bleaching the knots, because you know some wigs I have to bleach the knots, but I just feel like everything looked natural. I feel like this wig you could just throw on and go, and I have to worry about no bleaching or plucking. You don't have to pluck this part. Like, it looks super natural. I feel like it looks like my hair, like wig wear. Okay, wig wear for one. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. All I could say about the hair. If you guys want me to do a video like straightening it to like see how the wig looks straight, I'll do that too, you know, to see how the bob looks. But I feel like it looks classy. It looks classy, and like it looks sexy. It definitely looks sexy and classy, you know, if you like going on a date or something. But yeah, so thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I love y'all.